就等dash cam huh?
Yeah.
What is that?
Respectful cops and stuff.
How? You're a radio operator.
It just looks like you're, you know, upscaling person. The other thing I like about it, if you're at a park, gosh. If you're at a park, gosh. I saw it coming, and that's why I gave it a lot of. Okay?
Listen to that.
And then remove and every fuck. Holy shit.
He has no idea you're behind him either.
No. That's why I'm staying, because he may have to boom around.
God.
Oh, his brakes are letting go.
Oh my God. And he's gonna hit the pole. Just stand here. Just stand here. Oh my God. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
No, nobody's in
No.
the truck.
What the fuck are you doing, dude?
What the?
Wow! Dash cam got it.
Come on!
Så ja, zoket shi, to je.
Oh
Mogu si vjeđami? Wow, čajište. Pombrata? Kato makin brata.
Ja, još pombrata.
Okay.
Continue straight to stay on Plum Creek Parkway.
Come on, go!
Good day everyone, I'd like to start by thanking y'all for watching this video. In December of 2019, my girlfriend and I were rear-ended by a semi on this highway right in the middle of a slight bend in the road. The spot in which that occurred has been a consistent problem involving impatient truckers and their big-ass trucks thinking that passing another truck while going 1 mile per hour faster than the truck in the right lane is somehow going to save them time. Well, big news flash here, you don't even save 2 seconds doing dumb shit like this, especially over the course of 5 miles. Now, over the course of the last 2 years, I've been taking this freeway pretty frequently. In that time span, I've almost been killed by an impatient trucker 3 times. This is one of them. I'd like to point out to all the truckers that see this that it's entirely unnecessary to try and pass other truckers when all you're doing is 1 mile per hour faster than the truck next to you. It's only 5 miles or so of freeway. Getting ahead of the truck in front of you isn't going to change your time at all. Please, be patient, exercise caution, relax, and stop trying to fucking pass other big trucks going up a fucking hill on a 2-lane road. Also, stop tailgating us 4-wheelers. You'll be found at fault if you wind up killing a person in front of you because you were too impatient. It's not worth other people's lives, or your life, or the livelihood to pass a truck to save 2 fucking seconds.